Are you dreaming of a tax-free retirement? In this video, we'll delve into the possibility of hitting $70,000 tax-free in retirement and explore the strategies that can help you achieve this goal. From maximizing your retirement accounts to minimizing your tax liability, we'll cover it all. Whether you're nearing retirement age or just starting to plan, this training will give you a better understanding of what you need to consider to achieve your retirement goals. Make sure to subscribe for more of our expert tips on retirement planning and maximizing your savings so you can achieve the retirement lifestyle you've always dreamed of with confidence. Hello and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. So, can you really hit an annual income of $70,000 tax-free in retirement? The answer is absolutely yes, but it does require some strategy and planning to achieve this goal. Having a tax-free income stream in retirement is crucial for maximizing your savings and enjoying a comfortable lifestyle. The problem is, most people don't even know where to start when it comes to planning for tax-free income in retirement. Think about it. Every dollar you save on taxes is a dollar you can use to upgrade your lifestyle, travel, or simply enjoy the finer things in life. So, let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this goal. When it comes to generating tax-free income in retirement, there are a few things you need to know. First, you need to understand the different types of investment vehicles available to you, such as Roth IRAs and health savings accounts. These accounts offer tax-free growth, which means you won't have to pay taxes on the money you withdraw in retirement. You also need to be aware of specific tax regulations that can impact your retirement income. For example, some retirement accounts like 401ks and traditional IRAs are subject to required minimum distributions or RMDs that can trigger taxes, reducing your overall retirement income. I cover this topic in my other trainings about IRA rollovers and Roth IRAs. Understanding how to navigate these specific tax regulations is crucial to maximizing your tax-free income in retirement. It's not complicated, but it does require some knowledge and planning. The next step in strategically planning for tax-free income is assessing your current financial situation. Take stock of your income, expenses, debt, and savings. This will give you a clear picture of where you are today and where you need to be in the future. Once you're done assessing your current financial situation, it's time to direct your focus to the future. Determine how much you need to save for retirement. Spend some time thinking about and researching your desired lifestyle, travel plans, and any other expenses you anticipate incurring during your golden years. And remember to factor in inflation and any potential healthcare costs. Now that you have a clear picture of your financial situation and retirement goals, you can start thinking about investment choices. This is where it can get a bit tricky because you need to balance risk and return while also considering tax implications. While many well-meaning investors max out tax-deferred accounts like traditional IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, they too often wind up losing thousands of dollars in their retirement years. One, because they omit what we call risk mitigation income accumulation vehicles from their retirement plan. And two, they have not been informed or educated on simple yet sophisticated contribution and withdrawal strategies for retirement income maximization. This is where the power of a tax-free retirement income strategy kicks in. Reaching a substantial tax-free income in retirement might seem ambitious, but with the right strategies, it's more attainable than you think. With every tax dollar you save, you're adding more freedom to pursue the retirement lifestyle you envision, whether that means traveling, exploring new hobbies, or simply enjoying life on your own terms. By understanding the investment options, regulations, and strategies available, you can set up a sustainable plan that allows you to enjoy these benefits without the tax burden. If you're ready to take the next step toward a confident, tax-free retirement, I'm here to help. Schedule your free consultation with me today, where we'll review your financial situation and map out a plan that aligns with your goals. Click the link below to start crafting a retirement strategy that keeps more of your income where it belongs, in your hands. Let's make your ideal retirement a reality. Thank you for watching.